Hello friends, so in this video I would like to show you how to remove rear wheel, but in much easier way than usually people do. So usually people disconnect brakes, this is brake lever, and they disconnect this part which holds brake drum in place. But actually, if you only need to remove wheel, you don't need to unbolt this part, and you can leave your brakes and brake drum in place. And I found this is much easier and faster way. Especially after that, you don't even need to adjust your brakes. So let's do that now. You should put something to support your rear wheel, some wood or I don't know, some plastic or something, just to keep it in place. And now we're gonna need to remove central axle, and it is 14 millimeters, and on the other side it has nut of 19 millimeters. And after removing this axle, we will be able to remove this part. I don't know how to call it, it's just like a spacer. So we're gonna remove the spacer. After that we can remove chain, then push wheel to the left side, and then after that we can push this remove this spacer, push drum brakes to the right side, and then we're gonna get access to rear wheel. Now we can try to push axle out. Maybe. I'm pushing with one hand from that side and just turning the axle and it should come off. In this case, what you can do, you can push this like this and turn. It should come off. Yep. Okay. Now we can remove this spacer. Maybe first from other side. This one is from another side. Now this side. Chain. And now we can push wheel to the left side. Now pull drum brakes. They are off. And now we can take wheel out. Just be careful not to damage brakes. Come on. Yep, that's it. And now we have all the access we need. If we want, we can change brake pads from here without removing this part. We can change sprocket. We have access to our, I think it is called dampeners, these rubber things. Okay, so now let's put everything back together, and it is a bit easier to do that with this part removed. Now we can put wheel back. Just be careful not to bend brake disc. Okay, now put brakes in. And now we can put this wooden block just to lift this wheel. Alright, brakes are in. Now we can put sprocket back, but just double check dampeners. Are we correct place? Double check this part because it moves. And now let's put it back together. Alright, it is in. Now and put bike in a neutral. Will be easier. Now just push back. Now we can put axle back. Just don't forget this part goes here. So. Now this spacer goes in, but this spacer goes inside this rubber. And just clean it before if it has some rubbish. Now we can put the axle back. Right, it is in on this side. Now let's do another side. This side most likely gonna be a bit harder to do that. Okay, so let's push axle in. Oh, wait, too much. Okay, now we can put the spacer. Okay, axle is in the spacer, and now we need to manage to press that axle in this hole. It's gonna be probably a bit trickier. Okay, I'm in. Oh. Now this part goes like this. Can remove wood block. So now wheel is in place, and only thing left is just to tighten a chain and align wheel. But I have a separate video for that, so you can check on in my channel.